Hey guys, how you all doing? Hope you guys are doing wonderful today. So today we're gonna be making some chicken. So I have like one thigh in here. We have a chicken thigh, so we're gonna go ahead and marinate this, and we're gonna make some yummy chicken teriyaki. Okay? All right, stay tuned. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and dry our chicken. Ready, good. Go ahead and add some salt. Here we're gonna go ahead and put some seasoned salt mixed with onion powder, some lemon pepper, and then we got some paprika, got some thyme, garlic, ginger, we'll go ahead and add 2 Worcestershire sauce. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and give it a good stir. Okay, we're gonna keep it like this, and then we're gonna go ahead and marinate it in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes, okay? We're gonna cover our meat and put it in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes. Let it marinate very well. Okay, I think our chicken is ready now. So we're gonna go ahead and start, okay? Guys, our pot is on the stove, so we're gonna go ahead and put in our chicken, okay? Let's start in the back. Cover that up and let it cook for about 4 minutes. Cook for 4 minutes. Open this up. Drop a few cabbage in there. Let it steam. Guys, as you can see, our chicken is ready. It's cooked. You don't want your veggies